Every piece of buffalo leather begins far from the factory floor, in places where animals, people, and land have worked together for generations.
Water buffalo are raised across rural agricultural regions, where they live as working livestock and contribute to farming communities.
The animals are calmly guided into transport as part of a regulated agriculture. Once inside the factory, the raw water buffalo hides begin their journey through a precise, step-by-step process.
The first stage inside the factory softens the hides, removing surface impurities and preparing the
After soaking, the hides enter the cleaning stage, where controlled water flow prepares the surface for further treatment. During deliming, excess alkaline material is carefully neutralized, bringing the hides closer to their natural balance.
At this stage, the fibers are gently softened, improving flexibility and preparing the hides for tanning.
Pickling stabilizes the hides and prepares them for tanning by carefully adjusting their internal balance. This is the tanning stage, where the hide's structure is permanently stabilized, creating real leather that After tanning, the hides are carefully rinsed to remove residual solutions and set the leather's structure.
Drying allows the leather to set evenly, preserving its strength, shape, and flexibility. Mechanical finishing smooths the leather's surface, enhancing consistency and preparing it for final inspection. Every sheet of leather is carefully inspected to meet quality standards for strength, texture, and finish.
After inspection, the leather is carefully packed to protect it during storage and transportation.
Manufacturers around the world.
After dozens of precise steps, raw natural material is transformed into strong, reliable leather.
From agricultural origins to global industries, this leather will become part of products used every day.
This is how water buffalo leather is made, step by step, with precision and care.